Well, for those that do not know, I live in Thailand, and Thailand is the place for the best Thai food. Where else? Today, I'm going to take you around Blue Elephant, which is one of the most popular Thai restaurants in Bangkok or Thailand and the world that offers authentic Royal Thai cuisine. Aside from Blue Elephant restaurants, Blue Elephant has also started a manufacturing facility called Blue Spices, because according to Chef Nuro, good Thai food needs good ingredients. So here, as you can see behind me, are all the ingredients that are produced locally in Thailand and distributed to 45 countries all over the world in 5 continents. So they're very famous for their masaman curry. Let me see if I can find that masaman curry paste. So if you haven't yet tried, you should look for this Blue Elephant masaman curry right here. This is their most famous spice or paste, so that without good ingredients, you cannot make good Thai food. Remember that. So wherever you are in the world, you can make good Thai food with these ingredients. Take a look at tom kha. This is one of my favorites. And you have tom yum and pad thai. Hello, hi. We are very honored to have with us today Cassandra. Cassandra is the founder's daughter.
Of Chef Nuro, yes.
The first, how many of you in the family?
We have 3 children. I'm the eldest. And
okay.
only girl.
Right. So we heard that this Blue Elephant is celebrating 45 years.
Correct.
Were you born into the business, or you're younger than that?
I was born into the business.
Okay.
I mean, I grew up with Blue Elephants, if I can answer your question again. So this is my home, this is family to me, this is, you know, I don't know anything else but this environment.
Okay, so you were born into a family of cook, very good cook, you know, Royal Thai cuisine. How does it feel to be, you know, back in Thailand? You were born outside Thailand, right?
So yes, my father is from Belgium, my mother's Thai, and back in the days, my parents opened the Blue Elephant in Brussels, in Belgium.
Okay.
It was one of the first Thai restaurants in Belgium.
Okay.
And they promoted Thai cuisine on a different scale, like fine dining, because back in the days you had nothing as such. So this was very unique. And then a few decades later, my mother was homesick, and she said, I want to go back to Thailand. So she said, I'm going to open a Thai restaurant in Thailand. Everybody said to her, you are crazy. It's never going to work. Why are you thinking of opening a Thai restaurant in Thailand?
Because there's so many. Yeah.
And it happened that the Blue Elephant in Thailand is our most successful restaurant.
Absolutely, yes. And I'm so glad, so glad that your mother decided to come back and shared with us here in Thailand her expertise.
Well, as you see behind you, these are all her recipes. She makes her own curry paste and seasonings that she exports today in 48 countries.
Okay, I did say 45, it's actually 48.
48.
So it's like 45 years in this business. What have you learned? The most important learning that you have over the years?
My mother's motto is making the impossible possible.
Wow. Yeah.
And do things from your heart and with passion. Then you do it with a lot of joy.
Oh wow!
And you never give up.
Wow, that's great. Do you think for her, is there anything else that is impossible at the moment in the industry of restaurant Thai food?
Well, as we speak, she's on the mountain in Switzerland cooking a tom yum soup for the Davos Economic Forum.
Oh,
so
wow!
She's always challenged in doing great Thai food in all kinds of environments and situations.
That's amazing. So there you go, from her humble beginning in Chao province.
Yes, my mother is from a very fertile province called Chao, known to have the best mangoes of Thailand.
Yes, and I heard the best masaman as well.
Masaman is a heritage dish from my grandmother.
Okay.
It's also one of our signature dishes here at the Blue Elephant. And it's also the legacy from my grandmother to my mother coming to me.
you.
So yes.
Do you have kids?
I have a dog.
Oh, okay. I don't think you can teach your dog how to cook.
No.
But yeah, maybe the first one.
But I have a niece and a nephew, and
Okay.
they are foodies.
Oh, okay. We are foodies as well, so we're very privileged to be here. And tonight we are going to sample all your famous dishes, and we are absolutely looking forward to it. And according to Cassandra, we are going to be graced by her mother,
Yes, on her
and
return.
she's going to make the authentic Pad Thai Blue Elephant way.
Yes, with pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us here. And Cassandra from Blue Elephant in Thailand, Brussels, Phuket. Where else do you have?
Sukhumvit, Malta, and
Malta.
Copenhagen.
Oh, and Copenhagen. So if you're in any of those places, make sure you check out Blue Elephant. Okay.
This is a complimentary from the Mother Chef.
Okay,
And for
thank you.
So, okay, the first one this is the spicy banana prawn salad. So with together some the bitter leaf, you can eat one bite. So this is the soup, spicy and sour freelance chicken soup.
Okay.
Okay, the first one and second one.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you very
madam.
much. Thank you. For starters, we got to try the aromatic Thai green curry along with their famous lamb masaman. This pork rib was marinated in milk and honey for 48 hours. The meat was so tender it literally falls off the bone, delicious. Onto the seafood, we had the phu pat pong curry or crab curry, alongside with a steamed chili lemon fish. And one cannot come to Blue Elephant without having their iconic shrimp pad thai. Classic. Once again, I would like to thank Blue Elephant for this dinner. For more Chao on Tour, make sure to subscribe. Until then, ciao for now.